Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we'll be baking a very moist and very delicious chocolate chip banana bread. It's a great snack and it's very easy to make. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Preheat oven 350 Fahrenheit. Cream together butter and dark brown sugar. Mash 3 ripe bananas. Combine creamed butter, mashed bananas, eggs, and mix it well. Add sour cream and mix it for 30 seconds. Combine dry ingredients, flour, baking soda, salt, and mix it well. Combine wet and dry ingredients and mix it for 30 seconds. Make sure not to overmix your batter. Add vanilla and mix. Add your chocolate chips and mix. Grease pan and add 1 tablespoon of flour. Spread around the pan to prevent the batter from sticking. Place banana bread mixture in the pan. Bake it for 1 hour until the toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Our chocolate chip banana bread is done. It's time for dessert.